The state of Texas ordering Lubbock to take a step back after those hospitalizations were over 15% for the past 8 consecutive days. KLBK's Brenda Lepenski spoke to Judge Curtis Parrish in a restaurant to find out what this means to the county and business owners. Brenda, what exactly do the governor's orders say?
Terry, due to that consistent 15% hospitalization rate, businesses who are classified as bars are ordered to close. Those classified as restaurants are staying open, but have to reduce their occupants. This isn't something that people I spoke to want to hear, so they're encouraging everyone to continue following protocols.
Today, the governor ordered restaurants to step back from 75% occupancy to 50% occupancy, closing businesses classified as bars completely. Chris Berry with River Smiths says it's not a good thing.
When dining rooms shut down, several months ago, at least we had, or most of us, or many of us, I guess, had PPP funds to fall back on. It doesn't appear that any help or any resources are out there for us in the foreseeable future. So it's not going to be good. Not going to be good.
And of course, his employees say they're concerned if there's enough changes, there could be a shutdown.
Yeah, like bills are not going away just because of the pandemic. Food on the table, heat at the house, electricity, stuff like that.
While restaurants sanitize to stay open, Lubbock Chamber of Commerce is giving businesses masks to help keep people safe.
That'll get most folks through the short period of time until they can get some more, but it's our effort. The city manager, Jared Atkinson, has allowed us the opportunity to hand these masks out to the public.
Of course, we've all heard it again and again. Mask wearing and social distancing for all continues to be recommended.
We need to do this because it's the right thing to do. We need to take care of each other and take care of those economic indicators that we have in our community, like making sure that our healthcare workers are safe. And we do that by keeping ourselves safe, keeping our neighbors safe, and that keeps them safe and at work so that our healthcare industry can remain solid and viable here in Lubbock.
The area will remain under these restrictions until we have 7 days at or below 50% of confirmed COVID-19 patients in regional hospitals. Terry?
All right, thanks so much, Brenda.